Howdy dudes and dudettes, I am back on my channel with a new video on how to increase the total size of local disk C in our Windows PC using Disk Partition. Before we begin, let me first introduce you to the Disk Partition, so, let's begin. Disk partition is the process of dividing a disk into one or more regions. For example, as you know that in our PC there are three partitions, that are local disk, C, D, and E. These drive letters can differ in your PC. These three are the partitions of the main disk. We can control the size given to each partition, so, in this video, we will shrink the size of our disk D. That shrink size is named as unallocated space, and we'll put that unallocated space into our local disk C. So, let's begin.
At first, right-click on My Computer and click Manage. Then, under the Storage section, click on Disk Management. Now select your drive from which you want to create the unallocated space. Right-click on that drive, and then, click on Shrink Volume. Now, enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. I am using 15,000 megabytes, which is approximately equal to 14.6 gigabytes. Then click Shrink. Now, you will be able to see the unallocated space on your screen. Before the next step, you will require free software, that is Mini Tool Partition Wizard. To download this, open your web browser. In search bar, type Mini Tool Partition Wizard. Click on the first link. Now, click Download Freeware. Then, click Start Download and download it. I have already downloaded it, so I am skipping this step. After downloading, open this application. And right-click on Local Disk C. Click Extend. From the drop-down menu, select Unallocated Space. Then, move the cursor to the maximum, and click OK. Now, click on Apply in bottom left corner. It will take some time, keep patience. If by chance you got any pop-up in this step, then on the screen you will be able to see a restart button. Click on Restart, then your PC will restart, and this step will be done during the restart process. After this is done, your local disk CS space will be increased. As you can see, my local disk C space is increased from 102 GB to 117 GB. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.